in the 70s, I'm sure. I know Cheryl told me that.
You're doing great,
That
little
is
guy.
excellent. All right, let me get that other chair for you.
You're doing so awesome. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. Yes, I am. Look at how handsome you are. Can I just... He really... It looks like he has... I think his eyes are not... I don't know. I can't tell. His eyes are very... They have, like, blue in them.
They're so... Yeah. What are they gonna be, huh? What are they gonna be?
I just been taking pictures by him. I'm just stalling him.
Keep them open. Oh.
Oh, won't go right ahead.
That was so funny. Oh my god, that was adorable.
I'm going to take this other chair out.
Okay.
Just because there's not a lot of room in here.
Hey, honey. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's so beautiful. Every time, bud.